Welcome wheel spinners, and I hope you're doing good today. Here are 5 of my favourite exotic cars from Hot Wheels which we're gonna open. But first, we're going to be opening this box of 5 cars from the Exotic Envy set. This is a premium set from Hot Wheels, and it's presented so well in this shipping container box. I'm really happy with what I got. Let's get it open and see what's inside. Wow. This container is beautiful. I'm very impressed. Again with the car culture badge, the set name, and that it contains 5 cars. Very simplistic, but it works really well. Let's get it open. Yeah, all 5 cars presented so well, so neatly in this packaging. They all look like they're going up a hard incline right now, but let's get them out and have a good look at these things. I gotta say that the presentation is definitely premium. So massive thumbs up to the Hot Wheels design team on this. The box just snaps closed. That's quite a satisfying snap, to be honest. The first car from this box is the 1969 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale. It's a beautiful looking car with curves in all the right places. And it actually has a yellow paint, which I'm going to try and pronounce the name of. It's Giallo Prototipo. It means a yellow designed to blow minds. Alfa Romeo actually used this shade of yellow on their production cars, and it's a great touch from the designers on this set. You can clearly see from the taillights and exhaust that this is a really detailed casting. I love the fact the windows are so clear that you can see that detailed interior. All round, really solid casting, and I do think it looks better than the 2020 Boulevard set version of this. I think those Real Rider wheels definitely look better on this in white than the grey ones on the Boulevard set. I'll just pop him on here and grab the second car. Next in the set is the McLaren Speedtail. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of this one. It does just look like a big long block, and I don't like the fact that it's got dark black windows as opposed to the clear ones on the Romeo. But what I do like is this mint blue metallic paint and how it contrasts the dark colours of the car, like the grey on the wheels and on the spoiler. It's got some very small, thin headlights. But again, it's got those lovely Real Rider wheels on there. Definitely seeing a small amount of detail on this car, but I do wish there was a little bit more. Does it match the McLaren production car? Yes, it does. But does it feel like a really premium Hot Wheels? Not to me, it doesn't. I'm going to say that this is the worst of the lot. And it's still good. I'm just being very critical of it. Because it's a premium set and you're paying for premium, you know? Next up, we've got one of my favourite of this set, the Koenigsegg Agera R. It comes in this beautiful candy red paint with contrasting dark trim and details throughout. These grey 5-spoke Real Riders were actually first seen on a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon from the Car Culture Power Trip set. I think they marry up to the car really well. The overall shape and feel of this car is definitely premium, and I'd say it is one of the better cars out of the 5. I really like this one. Big fan. Next up, it's the Bugatti EB110. It was actually used as a Le Mans race car, and this casting does keep that shape alive. I'm not a fan of the wheels on this. The design just looks clunky to me. But I will tell you, this casting's got some weight behind it. It's really heavy. But it feels like expensive heavy, you know, which is perfect for a Bugatti. I like the fact that it's decorated with Bugatti badges. The big open clear windows and headlamps on this one give some more detail to the car, which is nice. The back of the car actually has the best detailing on it from the whole thing, because it could just be a big blue slab, but it's not. Overall, it's a good looking car. I don't really like the shape of it that much. I do think there are some missing details on the car, but in general, it's a nice representation of the Le Mans race car. And last out of this set, but definitely not least, is the Lamborghini Essenza. Now, this is what a premium Hot Wheels diecast car should look like. Absolutely love the detailing on this. That green metallic paint just sparkles. There is actually a chase version of this, In the singles packs of the Exotic Envy set, I love that they've got the 63 decal on the side here, which is in reference to the year when Lamborghini started making sports cars. And these real riders are just on point for this diecast. In my opinion, they couldn't have picked better ones than this. If you were to order this car straight from Lamborghini, it costs $2.5 million. That's probably why only 40 of them were ever made. It's an absolute beast, and it finishes this set off perfectly. I love this car. So that's all 5 cars from this set, guys. But now I'm going to open 5 of my favorite modern Hot Wheels exotic cars. Take a look at these, guys. The Lamborghini Cyan from the 2022 Factory Fresh set. When I think of Lamborghini, I definitely think of this shape, and with the green and gold design, I think this one looks amazing. The Aston Martin Vantage GTE from Hot Wheels Exotics 2022. Could you imagine trying to be inconspicuous with this thing? Damn, this is a bright car. For an exotic though, it works really well. The 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster from the Hot Wheels Roadsters 2023. I have to say this, guys, this car is one of the nicest colours of pearl white that I've ever seen. Definitely worth a pickup. The Pagani Zonda R from Hot Wheels Exotics 2022. With the little details like the Zonda R badge and the fact that it has the Italian flag colours red, white and green on the roof of this thing, it definitely doesn't feel mainline. It's a beautiful casting. And lastly, but by no means least, the 2019 Audi R8 Spider from Hot Wheels Exotics 2021. I actually found a guy selling this car really cheap with a box filled with other castings, but I did not know if it was the Super Treasure Hunt or not. So I took a chance, and no, it's not the Super Treasure Hunt, but it's still beautiful, guys. Love this one. I really enjoyed taking a closer look at these exotics with you guys. If you want to go see me hunting down Hot Wheels, click this video here. Please do give us a like and a sub if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.